Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing globular clusters in our Milky Way galaxy, Messier 80, or M80 for short. Known for its exceptional population of blue stragglers, M80 offers a fascinating glimpse into stellar evolution and the dynamics within star clusters. Let's explore. Messier 80 is located about 32,600 light-years from Earth in the constellation Scorpius. Discovered by Charles Messier in 1781, this dense cluster contains hundreds of thousands of stars packed into a relatively small region. Its core is one of the most concentrated among globular clusters, making it a prime subject for astronomical study. One of the most captivating features of M80 is its large number of blue stragglers. But what exactly are blue stragglers? In simple terms, blue stragglers are stars that appear younger, hotter, and more luminous than their counterparts in the same cluster. They stand out because, according to stellar evolution theories, they shouldn't exist. So, how do blue stragglers form? There are two main theories. The first suggests that blue stragglers are the result of stellar collisions. In the densely packed core of a globular cluster like M80, stars can collide and merge, forming a single, more massive star that appears younger and bluer. The second theory involves mass transfer in binary star systems. In this scenario, one star in a binary system swells up and transfers some of its mass to its companion. The recipient star gains mass, heats up, and starts to burn more brightly, becoming a blue straggler. M80 is particularly interesting because it has one of the highest known populations of blue stragglers. This abundance provides astronomers with a natural laboratory to study these peculiar stars and better understand their origins. Observations from the Hubble Space Telescope have been crucial in identifying and studying these stars in detail. The study of blue stragglers in M80 helps scientists gain insight into the dynamics of star clusters. It also sheds light on the processes that can prolong a star's life, challenging our understanding of stellar evolution. Furthermore, these studies contribute to our knowledge of how stars interact and evolve in densely populated environments. Messier 80 is more than just a beautiful globular cluster, it's a cosmic puzzle that continues to intrigue astronomers. The presence of numerous blue stragglers makes it a key object of study in understanding the complexities of stellar dynamics and evolution. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysteries of Messier 80, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, we love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up at the stars.